Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
My dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about atomic structure chapter. In that atomic structure chapter, mainly we are going to deal with J unit topics. So my dear, the question is the mass of photon with the wavelength 3.6, mass of photon with the wavelength 3.6 Armstrong is, and answer is given, my dear students. Answer A 6.135 into 10 to the power minus 29 kg, answer B 3.60 into 10 to the power minus 29 kg, and answer C 6.135 into 10 to the power minus 33 kg, and answer D 3.60 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. They asked how to find mass of the photon with the wavelength 3. That means here mass you have to find out, my dear students. Mass you have to find out for this particular. So which formula I suppose used for this particular? Any idea? E is equal to hc lambda. hc lambda. E is equal to h nu is there, that you are just see, this is actually energy of E is equal to h nu. So here nu is substituted with the c by lambda, my dear students. No doubt. And here this you can modify. Modify means you want to find out in this one hc by lambda is there, correct? No doubt. My dear students, here very important thing is in this one photon with the photon means particle nature, correct? No, with the wavelength, wave nature. Through two things are given, particle and wave nature, de Broglie equation, my dear students, dual nature. In this one, okay, this is for E is equal to h nu for particle, and one more formula is Einstein given, mc square, correct? No, that means E is equal to mc square is equal to hc divided by lambda, correct? C get cancelled. This equation we derived in earlier video, it is there, my dear students, please go through that. So basic should be strong, understood? So here it comes mc is equal to, this I will write like this, mc is equal to h by lambda. So this I can write like this, lambda is equal to h by mc, correct? Lambda is equal to h by mc. So I want to find out here mass. Mass is nothing but, m is nothing but mass, h divided by lambda c. Lambda c. This is the formula. See, my dear student, don't say that, okay, I don't know which formula I supposed to use for this one, because here two point is given. This is photon with the lambda, means photon with the wavelength. Photon with the wavelength it is given. That means dual nature, particle nature. Particle nature, which formula? De Broglie equation, using that one Einstein equation, two things are given, correct? No, De Broglie and Einstein equation is given. E is equal to hc divided by, this is actually one equation, Planck's quantum theory. Another one Einstein equation, this one, correct? First and two equation, this derivation is over in your class, and this mc square is equal to hc divided by lambda, cc get cancelled, mc is equal to h by lambda, lambda is equal to h by mc. Mass you take, because m I will take this side, to I have to find out m, mass is equal to h by lambda c. Here in this one, my dear students, h is Planck's constant, h is Planck's constant, okay. Then lambda is wavelength, it is given. C is velocity of light, velocity of light. 3 into 10 to the power 8. This thing given. Okay. Write down this formula, you write down. How we got this formula? First one is Planck's quantum theory says this formula, and kinetic energy, Einstein equation, these two combined, we derived this formula. It is there even board, correct? No? So I just modified this formula to get mass. Okay, my dear students, H is Planck's constant. What is H value here? 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 H, correct? And M is equal to lambda is 3.6 Armstrong. 3.6 Armstrong, correct? No? If I want to convert, means 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, correct? So 3.6 into minus 10 meter into, then what else is given? Velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8, correct? No, my dear students? Okay, my dear students, first I told you have to solve this 10 to the power part. Minus 10 plus 8 minus 2. Minus 2 goes up plus 2. Understood? Minus 2 goes up and it becomes plus 2. Plus 2 means minus 34 plus 2 means how much? Minus 32. Minus 32. And 10 to the power minus 32. Understood? 10 to the power minus 32. We are getting answer 6 divided by 3. 3 into 3. See, this I will consider 4, my dear students. This I will consider 7, because 6.62 is there. 7 divided by 4 into 3. That means 12. 12 divided by 7. It is not possible to divide this one. Correct? Is it possible to divide it? So 12. So I take here point, 0 point. Here it becomes 0, correct? No? 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 12 threes are, 6. 12. Okay, 6, 68. Correct? So 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 1, 12 ones are. Okay. Are getting answer 0.61. So 0.61 is there, my dear students. This I will write like this: 6.1 into 10 to the power minus 33. So in your answer 6 point is there, my dear students. Please check answer. Which one is correct answer? 6.1 into 10 to the power minus 33. See, first option A is given 6. Option A is given 6.135 into 10 to the power minus 29 kg, correct? Okay. Next, option B is given, my dear students, 3.60 into 10 to the power minus 29 kg, correct? Option C is given 6.135 into 10 to the power minus 33 kg, correct? So in this one, this is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. See, in option B, option A also given same, but here 10 to the power is different. Here 10 to the power is minus 33. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay. Option C is correct. For this one, option C is correct answer. Okay. M is equal to H by lambda C. So option C is correct answer. So very simple, my dear students, the calculation part, because 6.6 is there means I will consider as a 7. Understood? 3.6 is there, that I will consider as 4. Into 3 is there, that I will consider 3. 7 into 7 divided by 12. 12, 7. How many times? 12. Here I will add 1 0. Here 0 point it comes actually. Here 6 times. Correct? No, 68. 12 6 are 68. And it gives 0.61. That I can write like this: 6.1 into 10 to the power minus 33. So easily you can get without calculator. Whether I am using calculator to solve this one, don't use calculator every time for solving, because calculator not allowed in exam hall. So be careful while solving. Students, next question is a body of mass x kg is moving with the velocity 100 meter per second actually. Its de Broglie wavelength is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 35 meter. Hence h is given, my dear students. What are the things is given? Wavelength is given 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 35 meter, and velocity 100 meter per second, 100 velocity is given, and what h is given 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Which one? Planck's constant. You have to find mass of x body. The things is given, lambda is given, v is given, h is given. So using this you have to find out mass. So which formula I can use? Lambda is equal to h divided by mv. Correct? M I will take this side, this become h divided by lambda into v. Correct? So here h is how much? 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by lambda is how much? 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 35 into velocity is how much? 100. So first thing is you have to solve this particular minus 5, this become 10 to the power minus 1 because okay, and 6.62 is there, here 6.62 get cancelled, here 1 divided by 100 it comes, understood? 100, that means here 10 to the power minus into 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, students, in this one we have to solve this one. First 10 to the power part, my dear students, 10 to the power minus 35, it goes up, it becomes 10 to the power plus 35, and it becomes plus 35 minus 34, it gives actually 10 to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, and into, see here, this will get cancelled, this become 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 is how much, my dear students? 0.01. Correct? 0.1. Okay, 0.1. So in answer 0.1 is there, yeah, 0.1 kg at the option A. So I will move decimal to this side, this become 10 to the power cos, and it's become 0.1 kg. 0.1 kg means, my dear students, answer A is 0.1 kg. Correct answer. See, my dear student, option B is given 0.25 kg, option C is given 0.15 kg, option D is given 0.2 kg. Correct? No? So these are actually 0.1 kg. A. Okay. And next question is the probability of finding electron in orbital. Probability of finding electron in orbital is 90 to 95%. Okay, answer B is correct. Answer B is correct. Answer B. Please note down, my dear students. Answer B is correct. Students, the question: if the quantum number of the fifth electron in carbon atom are 2, 1, plus 2, 1, 1 plus half, that means this is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, N, L and Ml and Ms, magnetic quantum number. 4 quantum number is given, 2, 1, 1 plus half. Then for the 6th electron, this value would be, which value we have to find out. So my dear students, it's a very tricky question, very tricky, means in the sense, if you are writing carbon atomic number 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, in box I will write 1s 2, 2s 2, 2p x 1, 2p y 1, 2p z 0. Correct? No? This is actually carbon atomic number and electron. Here, if 2 electrons are there, then one is plus half, another one is minus half. In this also, one is plus half, another one is minus half. Here, it may be plus half or minus half. Here also, but it is given, my dear student, this is plus half. Plus half, 5th electron, this is 5th electron, this is 6th electron. They given in question, 5th electron is plus half. What about 6th electron? 6th electron, what about 6th electron? We are discussing about 6th electron. Only one electron is there. My dear student, it is very simple. See, here 6th electron comes in second energy level. That means n is equal to 2. Principal quantum number is 2. L value for P. L value for P is 1. That is also correct. 2, 1 is there. A and C, D option. This option got cancelled. This one remove. Okay. Now 3 option remaining. Okay. N value is over. Azimuthal quantum number is over. ML value for this one. Correct? ML value for this one. See, my dear students, how to find out ML value? N minus L. Tell me. First, so how to find ML value? ML value is 2L plus 1 formula. 2 into 1 into plus 1. Correct? So here 2L plus 1. 2 plus 3. 3 values possible, ML. That 3 values are nothing but 0, plus 1, minus 1. Any of this value is possible, my dear students. 0, minus 1, plus 1. Here, in this one 0 is given. This is also possible. 1 is given. This is also possible. Here minus 1 also given. This is also possible. A, C, D. In this, any one of this value for ML also possible. This all the 3 is matching. A, C, D is matching. Last final one is spin. MS. MS may be plus half or minus half. But here for 5th electron plus half is given, my dear students. For 6th electron, it should be plus or minus half. It is not minus half. Why? Means the single electron is there, means it may spin minus half. Who knows? Or it may spin plus half. But in this option, first option it is given minus half. It is wrong. In this also it is given minus half. It is wrong. Because 6th single electron is there. That single electron can spin, either it is spin plus half or minus half. Who knows? But in this it is given plus or minus, plus comma minus, or that means they don't know. Sometimes it may plus or it may be minus. So this is option D is correct answer. See how tricky it is, means you can see find out the n is second energy level, 2p second energy level. For p is L value 1, that is same for all the 3, and ML value 2L plus 1, that means 3 values are there. Minus 1, 0, plus 1. It may be minus 1 or 0 or plus 1. Here it is 0 given. This also works. Plus 1 it is also works. Minus 1 this also works. But last single spin quantum number, it may be plus or minus half. 5th electron they given plus half. Purposefully they given plus half. You should get confused by seeing that one. Next minus half you will write no immediately. It is minus half. Not like that. 6th electron, see 5th electron may be plus or minus half. They given it is plus half. Why? You should get confused. Understood? Sixth electron plus or minus. D, option D is correct. So read question at least 3 times. Okay. My dear students, next option it's given actually 3 comma 2 comma minus. The question is the correct set of quantum number L comma n is principal quantum number, L is azimuthal quantum number, M is magnetic quantum number for the unpaired electron of chlorine atom. Chlorine is 17. Correct now my dear students? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So my dear students, unpaired electron is present in a p orbital, px, py, pz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is unpaired electron, last unpaired electron. For confusing only they are giving these words, understood? Don't get confused. If you know that electronic configuration, it is very easy, understood? The last one is unpaired electron, pz, 3pz, okay? For this one, n value is 3, third. For n value for p orbit, L value for p is, my dear students, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 is there. This is actually, you can remove this one, this one, this one. Oh, sorry, this is there, okay, my dear students. Sorry, 3, 1. And this is actually wrong, 3, 2 is there. This is also wrong, 3, 2 is there. 3, 1. Correct? Now, no need to find third one. 3, 1. M value means 2L plus 1. Okay. 2 into L is 1 plus 1. 3 values 0 plus 1 minus 1. So, it may be plus or minus 1. This is correct answer. Plus 1 is there. So, here the second value is for L is 1. L is equal to P is 1. So, this is correct. So you should remember always S for L value is 0, S for P for L value is 1, D L value is 2, F L value is 3. So here N is this one, L is this one, ML is this one. So option C is correct. Okay, please note down my dear students. Next question is, which of the following statement is relation to the hydrogen atom is correct? Option A is given 3s 3p 3d orbital have same energy. Option B is given 3s 3p orbital is lower energy than 3d orbital. Option C, 3p orbital is lower energy than 3d orbital. Option D, 3s orbital is lower energy than 3p orbital. My dear students, very just confusing it is given. Hydrogen atom contains only one electron in 1s1 orbital. Understood? Remaining 2s and 2p having same energy compared to with respect to 1s, and 3s 3p 3d having same energy with respect to 1s. These three having same energy. Option A is correct. 3s 3p 3d orbital have same energy. Understood? Please note down my dear students. Very simple. Option only given bigger. My dear students, next question is given. The maximum number of electron in p orbital with n is equal to 5, ml is equal to 1. You have to find out, my dear students, maximum number of electron, n is equal to 5, ml is equal to 1. So simply they given, my dear students, n means fifth energy level, ml value may be 0, 1, 2, but here it is given. See, for fifth, this one you will find out ml value, my dear student. Okay, they given actually p orbital. Okay, electron in the p orbital means 5p. 5p means 2l plus ml value you will find out, my dear students. 12 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, that means 3 values. 3 values 0, plus 1 or minus 1. This 3 value is possible, but they are given ml value is plus 1. It is possible. Correct? No? For 5p orbital, ml value plus 1 is possible. N is 5, fifth energy. In question they asked the maximum number of electron in p orbital with maximum number of electron in p orbital. See, 5px, 5py, 5pz. Correct? No? The maximum number of electron p orbital with, my dear students, in this p orbital, one is, for 1 ml value is 0. Understood? For 1 p orbital ml value is minus 1. For 1 ml value is plus 1. Understood? This is actually orientation of orbital. Correct? No? Here they ask to find for ml value plus 1. In this plus 1, how many orbitals are there? Sorry, in this orbital, how many electron is present? Each orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electron. Answer B is correct, 2 electron. My dear students, why they given this question means, so they, if 5p orbital means immediately you are asking 5px, 5py, 5cz. 3 orbital. 3 orbital contains 6 electron. Option A is given 6. Correct. It is wrong. Option A is given 6, but they mentioned there in question ml is equal to 1. That means 3 orbitals are there. This may be px, this may be py, pz. In one of the orbital, plus 1 means one of the orbital. How many electrons? 2 electron is present. So tricky. Questions are tricky. Where you are simply by reading p orbital, 5px, 5py, 5pz, 3 orbital, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 electron. Option A is correct. Your mark is 0. Remember, at that time you should think why they given this value, ml value is equal to 1. That means ml value, 3 value is possible. ml is equal to minus 1, ml is equal to 0, ml is equal to plus 1. So this may be 1 px, this may be 1 py, this may be 1 pz. In one of the orbital, ml is 1. In that orbital, how many electron is there? 2 electron. Suppose if they ask in ml value is plus minus 1, 0, plus 1. In this orbital, how many electrons are there means you can tell it is 6. Suppose if they asked 0 and plus 1 ml value 4. They given only 1. That means 1 orbital, 2 electron. Now we are going to discuss about atomic structure unit, first PUC. Atomic structure, NEET JEE topic. My dear students, next question is in NEET JEE session, the correct set of 4 quantum number for the valency electron of rubidium Z is equal to 37. The correct set of 4 quantum number for the valency electron rubidium 37. My dear students, rubidium means rubidium is Rb, Z is equal to 37. It is actually 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 5s1. Is actually 5s1. This is actually electronic configuration of rubidium 37, my dear students. Okay, this one, my dear students, 37 electronic configuration, 5s1 last atomic orbital, actually last energy level is 5s1. That means n is equal to 5. L value for s orbital is 0. Then m value, see here 4 quantum number is given. First is n is equal to 5, these are n is equal to 5, this is wrong actually, this is n is equal to 6, this is wrong, you can leave this one. Okay, n is equal to 5 because these 3 are okay. In this 3, Remaining these two are wrong because L value comes for S1 is how much? 5S is 0. This is L value is 1. This is wrong. Here L value is 1. This is wrong. Remaining one is A. N is equal to 5. L value is equal to 0. M is equal to 0. 1 plus 1. This for S is 0 only. ML value is 0. So this is the correct set of quantum number. N is equal to 5 means L is equal to 0 for S. Okay, M is equal to also 0. S is plus half or minus half, it depends. S is plus half or minus half. Here it is plus half is given. Okay, you can write plus half, or sometimes they may give minus half. But this is wrong. N is equal to 5, L is equal to 1 is given. This is wrong. Okay, and here N is equal to 5, L is equal to 1. This is wrong. Understood? Here N is equal to 6. This itself energy level only wrong. So this is the correct set of quantum number for atomic number 37. N is equal to 5, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S is equal to plus half. Okay, very simple. My dear student, next question. Which combinations of quantum numbers n, L, M and S for the electron in an atom does not provide permissible solution of the wave equation? That means should be 4 quantum numbers should be permissible. That means one electron you consider, for that 4 quantum numbers should be possible quantum number should be there. For this one you have to check, my dear students, one by one you have to check. The very simple way is okay, if n value is equal to 3, L value should be, my dear students, n minus 1. How much? 2 minus 1. 3 minus 1 should be 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2 is okay. For first one, okay, for this one actually ML value means 2L plus 1 is nothing but 2. L means 1 plus L value for okay. L is given 2 to 4 plus 1 5 means 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2, like this you have to write. Understood? So S value means MS means plus half minus half. This is for 1. Okay, that means here 3 is possible, 2 is also possible. Second, see, this first one is n value, second one is L value, third one is ML value, fourth one is MS value. In all the case, first value n, second is L, third is ML, fourth one is MS. Okay, in all this option it is same. So first value is possible, second value 2 also possible, third value ML value is here it is given 1 is there. Okay, 1 is there in this one, it is possible. And MS plus half, okay, it is also possible. This is possible. And in second one you can check, my dear students. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 means it is also same. Okay, N is equal to 3 is possible. 1 also possible in this one. L value 1, it is possible. ML value 1, that also possible. Minus half, that is also possible. So second also possible. All the 4 quantum number are possible. And fourth one, okay, fifth one we will check, my dear students. N is equal to 3. L value means n minus 1 is how much? 3 minus 1. It should be 2. But here L value is 3. This is wrong. This is wrong. Remaining 1 is possible, minus 1 is possible. But L value, this is N value, L value, ML value is possible. MS value, spin quantum number possible. But this is wrong. So always remember, if energy level 3 means this energy level should be means L value should be less than 3. It may be 2 or 1 or like that is possible. If main energy level 4 means L value always less than 4. May 3 or 2 or 1, not 4. N and L value are not equal. n and l value not equal, not equal. So if it is less than this means okay, but in this case my dear students, here they given actually 3 L value, but we are getting 2, that means 0, 1, 2, within this any value is possible, but here 3 is not possible. So if n value is equal to L means that set of quantum number is not possible. So this is the right answer. Understood? This does not provide permissible solution. This is not possible. This does not provide permissible solution. My dear students, this is very simple. Again the same question is asked. For d orbital L value is how much, my dear students? 2. Correct? So you know that angular momentum quantum number, orbital angular momentum quantum number, orbital angular momentum quantum number, that means momentum, angular momentum, not quantum number, angular momentum L plus 1 2h h divided by 2 pi. Okay, here my dear students, h divided by 2 pi remains same. So here substituting L value is 2, my dear students. 2 plus 1, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 means here root 6 h by 2 pi. Which one is correct answer? Option A is correct. My dear students, again one more question. Non-directional orbital is 4p. Here you are only considering p, d, f, s. In this one 3s. S is spherical in shape, so no direction for s. Non-directional orbital is s. S is non-directional. Answer D is correct. Remaining are directional. For example, p and y, these are x-axis, px, py, like that. Understood? These are directional. Only s orbital non-directional, spherical in shape. Right up. My dear student, next question. According to above principle, the correct order of energy of 3d 4s 4p orbital is 4p less than 3d greater than 3d greater than 4p and 4s greater than 3d. That you know that order is given, my dear students. Actually 1s 2s 2p, 3s 3p 3d, 4s 4p 4d 4f, 5s 5p 5s 5d 5f. So it's like this. 1s fills first, next 2s, then 2p 3s, then 3p 4s, then 3d 4p 5s, then 4d 5p, then 4f 5d, then 5f, like that. Understood? So here which comes first? Here 4s onwards started. Okay, I will check here, my dear students. In all case 4s. Okay, very okay. After 4s, then 3d, then 4p. Which one is correct? After 4s, then 3d, then 4p. 4s, 3d, 4p. This is the correct one. Understood? After, see 3p, see 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. So 4s after that, 3d, then 4p, then 5. Here 4s, 3d, 4p. That means the electron enter to lowest energy orbital first. 4s is lowest energy orbital compared to 3d. So enter to 4s first, then 3d, then 4p. Okay. Next question. What is the atomic number of the element with the M2 plus ion having electronic configuration Ar3d8? My dear students, actually M2 plus electronic means 2 electron is removed. This is actually electronic configuration of first. See, electronic configuration of metal. Okay, metal. Which metal? We don't know. We have to find out. That electronic configuration I will write 1s2, 2s2. Atomic number is 28. It is given. Correct? No? So not 28. 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 3p, 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and after that, my dear students, 4s2, 3d8. This is actually normal electron. Understood? How many electrons are there? 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 28 electrons are there. Understood? In normal condition it is 28 electrons. Understood? So my dear students, they are given electronic configuration of the same metal, but 2 electron is removed. 2 electron is removed means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and this 2 electron outermost shell 2 electron is removed, that is 4s0, 3d8. Understood? This 2 electron is removed. So now this become M2 plus. M is metal, any metal. Understood? Here also M, metal. So in normal case, what is the atomic number of the element? You have to find out. That means atomic number means number of electron is equal to number of protons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 28. Z means number of electron is, as an atomic number is 28. So here 28 electrons is present. So 28 is the atomic number. Answer B is correct. See here, for confusing you, they given like this. M2 plus ion having electronic configuration. You have to find out what is the atomic number. Understood? See, atom means it is not ion. Ion means M2 plus or M plus or M plus plus or M minus. These are called atoms, not atom. For example, Cl minus, ion. M2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, ion. Understood? X minus means bromide minus, ion. Understood? For example, calcium. Understood? These are under ion. Ion means electron is removed. They asked what is the atomic number. Atomic number means it is atom, not ion. For example, sodium ion, sodium atom. If we are writing sodium like this, sodium ion. Magnesium atom, magnesium ion is like this. Don't get confused with this. That's what I told. Only question is difficult, not answer. Question only difficult, answer is very simple. You have to read question at least 2 times. After reading, you will come to know that what actually they asked. They asked to find what is the atomic number. Atomic number means element in atomic state, normal state. See, they given actually one more with M2 plus ionic state is given. Ionic state electronic configuration is this one. That means 2 electron is removed. From where they can remove 2 electron means from 4s they can remove 2 electron. Understood? So normal ion electronic configuration is this one, but normal element or atom, atomic electronic configuration element, this one. Which one? This one. This contains how many total number of electrons? They want to know. 28 electrons. So option B is correct. See the difference between the sentence. Atom, element. Here atomic number of the element. Element means it is not ion. Understood? Here magnesium atom, sodium atom, or you can call sodium element. But when it says 1 electron is removed or 1 electron is added, then it is ion. See the difference. My dear student, next question. The number of unpaired electron present in the Fe3 plus ion. So to find unpaired electron, you should know that how many electrons are present. That's what I told at the beginning. Study atomic number. Without knowing atomic number, without knowing periodic table, it is not possible to study chemistry. If you want to study chemistry, you should know each and everything, atomic number, ionization energy, down the group, along the period, what actually takes place. So my dear students, here number of unpaired electrons. Number of unpaired electron in Fe3 plus ion is given actually. Fe3 plus ion is given. My dear students, is Fe3 ion atomic number is 26. That I can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2, check, 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 26. Correct? This is actually iron atomic number, my dear students, iron atomic number. But here Fe3 plus, ferric they asked, correct? No, Fe3 plus, 3 electron is removed. This become 23 electron. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 2 electron is removed from outermost shell, fourth shell. See, this is actually first shell, 1s, second shell, 2s, 2p, then third shell, 3s, 3p, 3d, next is 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. So electron, 2 electron is removed from 4s, and one more electron is removed from this one, 3d. So 4s having only 0 electron, 3d having 5 electron, 3d 5 electron. So now outermost electronic configuration become third, 3d. 3d contains 5 orbital, 3dxy, 3dyz, 3dzx, 3dx square minus y square, 3dz square. Here each orbital filled with 1 electron first, total 5 electron it has. Correct? No? So 5 degenerate orbital. So Hund's rule of multiplicity says if 5 degenerate orbitals are there, you have to give 1 electron first, later pairing will takes place. So here 5 electron we are given 5 electron with the 5 orbital. So no more electron remaining. So each electron in this orbital are unpaired electrons. So how many unpaired electron is present in Fe3 plus? 5 unpaired electrons are present in Fe3 plus. To work out this problem or to get answer for this problem, you should know atomic number. Without knowing atomic number or without knowing element, it is highly impossible to get answer. My dear students, this is my humble request with each one of you. Study atomic number properly. Then you can easily find out answer. Understood? My dear students, one question they asked, electronic configuration of deuterium atom is? Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen, correct? Isotope of hydrogen. How to name? Like this. This is actually deuterium, 1d2. Deuterium is nothing but one more form of, one more isotope of hydrogen. Here, this is actually mass number. This is actually atomic number. Atomic number is Z. Z is how much? 1. So, atomic number is 1. Z is 1. That is nothing but the electron number. So, electronic configuration means 1s1. 1s1. So, correct answer is 1s1. Option A.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.